Hey, this is Doug. I wanted to show you guys how to sort lists in your calculator. So I already did one using Excel or Google Sheets, but if you want to practice using your calculator and or maybe you feel intimidated by Google Sheets or something, whatever the case may be, here's how you would do it with the calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and go to the beginning here. Enter in the data set. So we're going to go to Stat, Edit, and then we'll enter in our numbers. All right. And as you can see, these numbers are in no particular order. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do second quit to just go back to the main screen. I guess that's not even necessary. We could just go from this straight into stat to go to the previous page. And then we're going to do sort A. And what that is sort ascending. So that means it's going up, increasing from lowest to highest. So we're going to hit enter on that. And now we want to put in the name of the list we're working with. So we're going to go second, and then we're looking for this L1 here. So second one will get us the L1. And if we hit enter, that should have sorted it for us. So stat, edit, and there's our list from lowest to highest. Now, if for some reason you want to do highest to lowest, I can't think of a reason you might want to offhand, but there's that option too, to sort descend. And while I have you guys here, to clear your lists, you can use this function here. And I don't think it'll do it automatically. See that it actually requires an argument. So go stat, and we can just do 4 to do clear list. And you'd actually have to put in the name of the list to clear as well. That could be helpful if you're clearing multiple lists. So for example, I'm going to do second enter here to do the previous entry. And let's say I wanted to put in list 2 and list 3 as well. So now it's going to clear all of these lists. So generally, the faster way, I'll go ahead and show you in a second. But this could be faster if you have multiple lists that you need to clear at the same time. So let's go to stat, edit, and you can see it's cleared out. The other way you can do it is to, when you have the first element of the list selected, hit the up arrow, and there you can hit clear, and you can see that it got moved down to here, and enter. I want to make that very apparent that you're going up here and hitting clear, because what some students do is they'll hit delete, and what that'll do is get rid of that list completely. So right now I'm deleting all my lists, and now I don't have any, and I have to manually name these lists something. So let's say I wanted to name this list P. So now I've got a list named P, but if you wanted more lists, or if you wanted to be very specific with what you named them, you can do this. But if you just want your default L1 through L6, you'll go back to stat, and you'll go to setup editor, hit enter twice, and you've got your lists back. All right, hope this was helpful.